Most people believe aging means losing strength, stiff joints, and eventually giving up independence. But that belief is a lie. Aging does not have to look like that. And here's the part most people never hear. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 science-backed movements that don't just slow aging, they can reverse it. We've taught these movements to thousands of students, men and women in their 30s, 40s, 50s, even 70s. Athletes. Absolute beginners. And every single one of them walked away moving better than people half their age. So if you think your body is broken because of your age, listen carefully. Your body isn't broken because of age. It's broken because of inactivity. Muscles shrink when they're not challenged. Joints lock up when you stop using their full range. Balance disappears when you stop training it. But the human body is adaptable at any age. I've seen it happen thousands of times. And now, I'm going to show you 5 movements you can start today to reclaim your strength, freedom, and resilience. Stay until the end, because the last one may literally save your life. Movement number 1, hanging. Rebuild the shoulders. Rewire your grip. Extend your life. Hanging decompresses your spine, rebuilds your shoulders, and trains grip strength. And grip strength isn't just about opening jars. Researchers literally use grip strength as a biomarker of longevity. If you're a beginner, use a chair to support part of your weight. Let your shoulders gently open. Accumulate time in short hangs, 5 to 10 seconds at a time. Intermediate. Do a full dead hang for 20 to 40 seconds. Keep your ribs down. Neck long. Advanced. Build toward 5 to 10 minutes daily, using mixed grips, scapular pulls, even one-arm hangs. No bar. No problem. Find a rail. Place your feet on it. Lean back and let your spine sink. You'll get nearly the same benefits, especially if you allow your lower back to relax and your shoulders to open. A 2018 BMJ study found that low grip strength is one of the strongest predictors of early death, linked to heart disease, cancer, and all-cause mortality. Chris, one of our students, was 61 when she started. She could barely hang for 2 seconds with assistance. Weeks later, she hit 30 seconds unassisted. Her words: "I haven't felt my shoulders this free in decades." She even started hula hooping again. Takeaway: hang daily. Decompress your spine. Strengthen your shoulders. And quite literally, grip more life. Movement number 2, the deep squat. The original human resting position. The deep squat isn't a gym exercise. It's how humans were designed to rest. Lose it and you lose ankle mobility, hip function, spinal health, and eventually, your independence. Beginners, hold a door frame or couch. Elevate your heels on books. Accumulate 2 to 5 minutes daily. If squatting feels impossible, assist yourself. Teach your body the position before forcing strength. Intermediate, squat unassisted. Chest tall. Relax into it. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes daily. Advanced, explore different stances. Accumulate 30+ minutes throughout the day until squatting becomes as natural as sitting on a chair. A 2012 European Journal of Preventive Cardiology study showed people who struggled to sit and rise from the floor were 5 times more likely to die within 6 years. Pamela, one of our students, squatted fully for the first time in decades. Tom went from a shaky 30 seconds to 7 minutes. Takeaway: your squat is not optional. It's survival training. Reclaim it and you reclaim your youth. Movement number 3, sit to stand. The independence test. This movement draws a hard line between dependence and freedom. If you lose the ability to get down to the floor and back up, you lose your independence. Beginners, sit on a chair and stand without using your hands. Gradually lower the height. Intermediate, lower to a stool or floor. Rise using only your legs. Advanced, practice cross-legged sits, kneeling transitions, controlled floor movement. The same sitting-rising test found that every point lost increases death risk by 21%. Patricia, in her 60s, had one goal. I just want to stand up without using my hands. 3 months later, she did it. Another student filmed herself standing from the floor for the first time in years. The joy said everything. Takeaway. If you can stand from the floor without help, you are literally lowering your risk of early death. Train this daily. Movement number 4, hip mobility. Your foolproof foundation. Hip mobility isn't about stretching, it's about survival. Stiff hips mean poor balance. Poor balance means falls. And falls are the number one way aging steals independence. Beginners, work on 90 to 90 rotations, gentle floor rocks, assisted movements. Intermediate, explore Cossack squats, pigeon poses, controlled flows. Advanced, full locomotion, crawling, flowing, moving like a cat across the floor. A 2014 study showed hip fractures in older adults carry a 20 to 30% chance of death within a year. Michelle couldn't bend to feed her dogs. Weeks later, she sent us a laughing video, bending effortlessly. Sharon went from sleepless nights due to hip pain to waking up pain-free. Takeaway. Strong, mobile hips are life insurance. They make you fall-resistant and future-proof. Movement number 5, isometric core stability. Your anti-fall armor. Strength that holds you still is just as important as strength that moves you. Isometrics, planks, wall sits, balance holds train stability, resilience, and control. Beginners, wall sits, supported planks, assisted balance. Intermediate, longer planks, single leg balance, isometric squats. Advanced, loaded carries, handstands, static strength holds, split holds. The Lancet Public Health, 2018, reports falls are the second leading cause of accidental death worldwide in older adults. Gail, in her 50s, said after 3 months she felt stronger, steadier. Takeaway. Stability equals survival. Train it daily. These are human non-negotiables. Hang to grip more life. Squat to stay human. Sit to stand to stay independent. Free your hips to avoid disaster. Build stability to bulletproof your future. We've seen it happen thousands of times. Movement doesn't just slow aging, it reverses it. Start today. And your future self will thank you.